right, friends, we are ready for our corrections for today's daily math. In our folder, we are going to turn to where we had our page set up for today. All right, our first problem said, Dawn has to pay $10,990 for her college dorm room and tuition each year. About how much money does Dawn spend the first 2 years of college? All right, and the answer that I gave you was $22,000, and this is how I got that. All right, she spends $10,990 per year. Now, when I have about how much, that means we're going to want to round. We're going to want to get to a close number. All right, and so when I got to a close number to 10,990, I used about 11,000. All right, and so 11,000 was for 1 year of college, but Dawn had 2 years of college that we wanted to see. So that's how I got to the 22,000. Now, some of you may have rounded to the 10,000s place. So you said, all right, there's a 1 here and a 0 here. So this is about 10,000 and 10,000 again. And you could also do it that way, but this number is only 10 away from 11,000, so that's why I went ahead and rounded up to the 11,000 instead of the 10,000. But either way, as long as you rounded the number correctly to either 10,000 or 11,000, and you doubled it, give yourself credit for that one, okay? All right, the next one wants us to complete the table. They've given you numbers on the left, and the directions at the top of the box say add 4. All right, so they gave you the first one. They gave you a 1, and then you needed to add 4, so you got 5. The next one, you had a 3 in the box. You needed to add 4, and you would get 7. All right, the next box had an 8. You add 4, and you got 12. And the bottom box gave you 16. You add 4, and you got 20. Okay. At the bottom left, we had 91 plus 28 plus 13. And we can add these in any way we want. I normally take the bigger numbers and put them together and then add on from there, but you can do it either way. You can say 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 3 more is 12, or you can do 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. Regardless, when you have 12, your 2 goes in the 1's place, and you're going to carry that 1 over here. So 1, 2, 12. All right. And then here I have a 1 and a 9. So I know that's 10, 12, 13. So you want to have 132 for this answer. All right. The final box says list the factors of 7. Is this number prime or composite? Now remember, factors are the numbers that you can multiply together to get that answer as 7. So what is one multiplication problem that would work to get an answer of 7 is 1 times 7. And that is the only multiplication problem you can make to get the answer of 7 using only whole numbers over here. So we talked a little bit last week about prime and composite numbers. If they are a composite number, you have more than one problem that you can write to get that answer. Since this one, you only have 1 times 7 to make 7, we are going to call this a prime number. Okay? All right, that finishes up our problems for today.